Hello, it's June 24th, 2017, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is a vanilla Dillioniana. This is a piece of a piece of a piece of a piece originally collected from Brickell Hammock back in 1927. At any rate, this critter blooms for several weeks, and it's in a 100-gallon pot, basically potted in a soilless mix. The flowers, unfortunately, only last for about a day. I got this awarded a few years ago by American Orchid Society. It got the CHM, Certificate of Horticultural Merit, and an AM from the American Orchid Society. Unfortunately, this thing is really too large to transport for judging, but I thought you might like to see it anyway. I've been growing this for, probably about 15 years or so. While it blooms, it also then decides to put out the new shoots. And basically, the culture is relatively simple. Instead of giving it a trellis to grow on, by keeping it very low and by curling the plant around itself, you can keep it in a tight ball. In addition, by making sure there's a lot of soil or soilless mix available, the roots, instead of forming just a mere tendril like you have here that may or may not attach itself onto something, you can create some really good roots with a lot of root hairs on it. Therefore, it's able to absorb more groceries, get in all the nutrients it needs, and it creates rather a large plant. So we'll see what happens in the next few years. Hello, it's July 1st, 2017. If you allow the vanilla roots to get into the soil, what you wind up with is a plant capable of absorbing more groceries, the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and then your minor elements. As you can see right here, once the roots get into the soil, they put off all sorts of hair roots, so they're able to absorb the nutrients much easier. If left down in the open, though, all they produce is a small tendril, such as these. So we'll take some more video of some of the flowers. Unfortunately, this little beast is too big to get to an orchid judging, but it's nice all the same. The particular variety of this vanilla Dillioniana is called Intelligent Design. So we hope you've enjoyed the view. Thank you very much for having a look.
Make sure you visit our social media, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Or you could just visit toptropicals.com. And our boss, Mr. Barcy, reminds you that you always need tropical plants in your life.